Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a gold US dollar Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 15th May 2023 and the week will end on Friday 19th May 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must have made nice profits in the week that ended the day before yesterday on Friday, 12th May 2023. So, before starting the session, first of all, I will be giving you a bit of a recap that what we have studied in the previous week, then what actually happened. In today's session, I will like to discuss price action as well because the place where gold is standing at the moment, the price that is at the moment requires a price action reading at the current price on the weekly time frame. Obviously, the trend lines, we have to study them. We have to find out on different time frames where the market is going and what it is showing us for the future. And obviously, when we cover this and this, we will find support and resistance levels that will help us take our trading decisions in the week ahead. So these are the three things. Now let's see what we have studied in the previous week. First of all, on the weekly, there is a very nice impulsive wave. And I want to discuss this impulsive wave because this impulsive wave is very old, all the way from 15th March 2020 till 2nd August 2020. So this impulsive wave then from 2nd August 2020 till 7th March 2021. So half a year rally to the top, then a half year rally as a correction. And after that, since this is like 7th March 2021, we have got a sort of support near 1680.11. When we got that, obviously at this stage, I'm a Fibonacci and pattern trader. At this stage, on the weekly, it was representing me this setup, right? Obviously, the market continued back up, and I don't want to go into the details of these tiny patterns right here, right here, and even I didn't discuss it last week. But this is the overall and the whole impulsive wave we had, and the whole story is behind it, right? Back then, at that stage, we have a trend line like this, and obviously 2310.97 is the completion for this ABCD pattern on the weekly time frame. But things doesn't move very well, or I should say it move well, but it doesn't move very fast on the weekly time frames. So trend line here, if you see here, if you see, market held the price very nicely, but a sudden breakout from the level. And if you see this, we have got a very clear top up there. Market came down to the same level, took a support right here. See, a nice support. First one, this one, then this one, a tiny rejection, and obviously this one. So I have to, since if I extend this trend line like this, I will see that we have got a re-enter into the price. So I will be able to adjust it like this. This is the overall situation. And if I extend it to this side, it will still be at a resistance. So if you are if you have some experience in forex trading, you will know that near resistance levels we don't take any buy trade. And it has a specific reason why. This is a resistance zone. And if I take a buy right here, my target is just this much. Just have a look at it. From here till here, 2400 approximately pips. But in order to generate this 4000 pips, I have to take a risk of around 3000 pips. So no good way to look for buy trades at this particular stage for long term. Remember, my friends, for short term, stay with me. This is a top down approach and you will get your desired setup. So gold obviously trending up. This is one thing I know, and this is I have discussed last week as well. Second thing, not ideal for a buy, long term buy, right? So if it is trending up and if it is not giving me a place where I can take a good buy trade, what will I do? Obviously, I have one more impulsive wave right here that is pointing towards 2130. There are a lot of impulsive wave pointing up at this stage, and this is also possible in the upcoming week. We may see some wick from there. So 2125.11, I will be looking for this level. If it reaches here and still it doesn't give me profit, obviously at that time it will be negative. So I may be closing this deal first thing, and I will not be taking a buy that okay, market is going crashing up. It's crashing up. Let's buy. Let's buy. No, my friends, I'm not going to do that at all. So what I'm going to do next is let's have a look at it. And I will be giving you my overall opinion about the market. Let's study this thing, which I discussed last week as well. We have got a nice breakout, a retest. We have to study like what I have learned from my mentors back in 2014 and 15 and 16 till 15. And what I have learned is that we have to study the past data because these bulls and the bears can tell us where the market is going. Is it going up? Is it going down? Where are the levels? Like blindly, I cannot take this trade. How? Obviously, if I'm holding this position, there must be something. Just think about it for a while. Think about it. First thing is we have got completion of the pattern. So when a completion of the pattern occurs, what we do is we aim for 61.8% retracement. And let me highlight this area as well, or let me make these lines bold. See, 1911.47 is going to be the turncoat support, most probably if it go down. Now the price section, I want to discuss it. Move on to the weekly, zoom in the chart and just have a look at it. From here, very nice, market going very nicely up. From here, a continuation, a retest, continuation and continuation. What happened suddenly right here that the bear started to appear? What happened? Indecision candles in red as bearish. Then for 2 weeks. Seems like these are the same people. They push the market around 800 pips down, then around 800 pips up, and a bounce, and then the weekly candle. So after looking at this candle and a sudden attack of the bulls, this candle is not enough for me to rely on this bearish rally or to rely on these sellers. See, these are the, let's say these are the bulls and these are the bears. I have as a trader decided whether I want to be with the bulls or whether I want to be with the bears. I have to decide. So same is the case on the weekly, my friend. Obviously it's showing down move till 1745, but this evidence is not enough for me on the basis of which I should decide what I'm going to do. Maybe if the market go negative, here I can close it. If I don't want to, like, obviously everyone wants to protect themselves. Have a look at the RSI at this particular moment. Right here it was 92.1875. But we did not got any overbought level right here. Why? Suddenly what happened so much important that RSI is not giving me any overbought situation. And same is the case. The big players are not letting it go above 80 for some reason. Clearly giving me the divergence. But if there is a divergence, where is the double top? Usually in my strategy, what I do is when I get a double top, when I get a divergence, I look for double top. Where is the double top right here? Is this a double top? Not at all, my friends. This is not a double top. This is just like a ranging market. So on the weekly, I cannot get anything. On the daily, things are more interesting. A ranging market, it can be something like, hey, we are going up, let's buy me, buy me, buy me. A lot of the traders, they entered, they were jumping into the buy trades, and boom, a sudden drop of 762 pips. Why? There must be something behind it. And today I'm going to find what is actually behind it. Let's now remember this 1911.47 level and this impulsive wave. It should be right here, okay? And this Fibonacci should always be, unless I get a break below this zone, it should be there. Now what's next? Move on to the H4. Things are very, very nice right here. We have even got a very nice structure. Last week, 2044, I recommended for a sell. See how beautiful trade setup it was. Try to watch my videos in detail and from start till the end, and please don't download them. This is something which like really destroy the creativity of a creator. If I'm sharing something with you for free, please don't download it. Watch it on the platform. That's one request I want to, like, this is my one request from all of you. So what is that thing which I want to find? Zigzaggy market on the daily, on the H4. See this one. It is clearly pointing down till 1966. And by then it will seems as if it's breaking the level, right? But I'm considering it as a whole level. So if in the upcoming week the market is slow enough, it can become an intraday buy zone. But as I have told you, I'm not interested in any buy. I took just this buy right here, took this much profit, 400 pips. That's perfect. I was taking a sell right here, right? On this candle, I was stopped out. Like manually, I closed the trade with 200 pips. Because if I'm earning 500, 600 pips, why should I give more to the market back? So on the H4, it is showing 1966.32 at the moment. But here comes in one more question. Do you want to take this sell trade? 357 pips it's giving you, but the stop loss will be more than 800 pips. Still doesn't make any sense. If you are holding the position from here just like me, 386 pips I'm on risk, and around 1500, or let's say around 1300 pips I'm looking for to get from the market. My stop is already at the break even for this one. This is like a tiny trade, but on my other accounts, obviously. One more thing, and that is on the daily. If I say, let's say this is like one more concept, 1972.43 H4 is showing it. I am 100% sure it will retest 1972 in the week ahead. 100% sure. But how about this 574 pips? Obviously, I may close this deal right here. We'll wait for the market to go back up to 2010 or 2025, and then I will take a fresh trade. So this way, I will even make more profits. And right here at this 1969, I'm not willing to buy. Not willing to buy at all, because on the weekly, gold is trending up. It is an uptrend. How can I take a sell trade when the price is trending up, and especially if it is at a double top level? Obviously not. I will wait for the market. If I miss, I will not fall into the fear of missing out of trades. No, not at all. If the trade you are looking at it right here, what it's suggesting me, I'm completely tension free because I have made good profits from here, good profits from here, and the current trade on a sell is what? It is at break even. So I don't want to fall into this trap, and will consider this as a breakout point. If I'm lucky enough, I will get a breakout, a retest, and a candle will reject from here. That will decide I want to keep continuing my sell trade. Overall, I see gold down, but if I sum up everything in the upcoming week, I will need a strong sell candle on gold weekly time frame. Coming Friday, I will need it. If before that, the next week, if it opens and something like this happens, it go up first and it go down and then it close in the middle, I still will not be able to do anything. I just want a candle which can just retest the high of the previous week, reject from there, and continue its move straight down. At least till 1972. If it closes below 1972, that will be like a bonus. Then I will be also targeting this impulsive wave as well, all at once, till 1795, or approximately this support 1811. But for that, I have to study the markets. I have to be aware of each and every level that is on the chart, my friends. And that's how I collect profits. I collect pips on regular basis. And that's what I teach my premium clients. Any one of you who are interested to join my premium sessions, I just have like one seat left, right? I can adjust the timings, but these days I'm like so much busy with my family, with my kids. When you have like you are a mentor and you there are a lot of people that depends on you for the analysis, and you have kids and you have to look after them, their schooling, their education, their grooming, all of that, their overall happiness. It takes time, right? So at the moment, I'm really sorry, I can just facilitate one premium client at the moment. And usually, what I do is uh, share my screen like this and I explain all of the concepts, even those which I didn't talk about in the live videos or live streams. Because obviously, I have worked on this strategy for 7, 8 years, and there is something that if I share right here, someone can decode it, right? Someone can decode it, and then it will not be working. So I just give it to the client with the promise that he will not share it anywhere online. And since the client pays me for that, so why will he share that strategy with someone else, or those decoding signals with someone else? So, my friends, this is the gold US dollar forecast. I hope you make lots and lots of profit. Last week was a very fantastic one, and I even live streamed right here. And YouTube Studio is still banned in my country, so I'm finding different ways to upload these videos to you so that you can watch them and you can make good profits for yourself, your family, for your kids. Because I'm a family man, I know when you have families, there are a lot of you can say expenses and responsibilities. So thank you so much, my friends, for watching the video. Tomorrow morning, I have scheduled a video on support and resistance. Please don't miss it because I have given the pro stuff in the video. Make sure to click on the bell icon, give me a thumbs up on the video. It doesn't cost you anything, but it gives me a very good feedback. And try to take active part in the comment section down below in the community, right? So this was the forecast for gold. I hope you enjoy it, and let's see. Tomorrow maybe I will be live streaming. If I get a response from you for other pairs, definitely I will be discussing those as well in a next video before the market open. But let's see. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.